YouTube, this is KShadow22 here. Today we'll be going over some Java coding. This is actually very simple, and this first assignment is literally handed to you guys, but we'll be going over just a few things just to kind of give you guys more of an understanding. Typically, my programming is actually done in different languages. Java is not my prime, but I am definitely, pretty good at it. But you guys, if you're curious of who I am, you can go to hosscomputers.com and then I'll kind of explain who I am. Now, for this first assignment, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up Java itself. And this assignment is actually going to go ahead and give you the code that you need. And just to do that, you're just going to go ahead and copy that information. Then we can go ahead and paste it into Dr. Java. Now, the main thing for this assignment is just to have something print out hello world. And to begin with, what we're going to want to do is go ahead and mimic this program name. So go ahead and type in the first three letters of your first name, the first, it'd be H-A, because Hoss, H-A, then core, and then hello world. This is how the instructor wants that, so that's how we're going to go ahead and do that. Author. And just fill out all this information. So once you've got that all actually filled in, the rest of this program will actually do the main part itself. So just a few things. We'll go ahead and copy whatever your program name is up here. We'll go ahead and paste that where it says public class. This is declaring the class. Most of this beginning part, public class and public static void main, anything above from here, what I normally do is I copy this and I'll actually create, let's see here, you can actually create a template and just save it as a text file and just kind of use this universally among all of your programs for this course, and that'll kind of help you get started pretty quickly rather than trying to remember, the format that the instructor wants. Now, from the actual class itself, we're already given the main code, and believe it or not, that's it for this. But there's a couple more steps we'll want to take. We'll want to compile the program, and it's going to ask us to save it. Let me go ahead and create a new folder. Let's call this YouTube for you guys. And we're going to go ahead and name it. It should automatically default to your class name. From what I've understood is that the class name and the file name need to be identical, so we're going to go ahead and save that. Okay, and if it throws you an error, you can actually read it down here, but it looks like I just had an extra slash, and then go ahead and compile it again. Now we can go ahead and run our program. This is going to debug it to see if there's any issues. And when we run it, it's going to say down here, hello world. So we know that this project has been completed, and we can go ahead and submit it to our instructor. Now, the last thing that I want to go ahead and mention before submitting this to your instructor, realistically, the only thing that they should actually need is the helloworld.java file. So that's the only file you should upload unless your instructor tells you otherwise. Anyways, that's all for this video. If you liked it, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and just continue on throughout the series.